Alas ka, mamasko ka. Bless. Tulog si Inang. Hi, Inang. Merry Christmas. Kiss mo si Inang. Lagyan mo sa bag mo. Ano sasabihin mo? Thank you. Merry Christmas. Nako, ipunin mo yan para may pambili ka mga toys. Si Sky na mamas ko. Si Sky na mamas ko. Si Eric, tsaka si Abby. Namas ko sa kabila. Parang hindi nakita kanina. Merry Christmas. Sarap. Si Sky kumakain siya ng sopas. Kanina pa eh. Saan pwesto nila, Erica?
Diyan, malapit na dyan.
Hello guys! Bahay na kami. Bahay na kami ni Sky. Dami tapapons kahad ni Sky. Sky pa utang. Sagot. And then may pera siya. Ha?
Scammer talaga sa ano yung nanay.
Scammer daw yung nanay. Hindi, lalagay natin dito Skylat ng pera mo.
Sabihin, ay, tatago ko muna.
Uy, totoo yan. Nung bata ako. Oo, totoo yan doon. Siyempre, pag bata ka, wala ka namang gagastusan.
Pero scammer ko yung pass.
Naku, Merry Christmas na nga si Sky eh. Mag-date lang kami kila Inang kasi hindi kami nakapunta kagabi. Pero, pumunta din kami kila nanay. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog. Morning! Good morning. Good morning guys! Ayan, magluto lang ang breakfast namin ni Sky. Ano na eh, alas 9 na. Medyo late kami nagising kasi nagbawi kami ng tulog. Si Daddy nag-breakfast na. Nag-bread na daw siya. So, meron pa kaming tasty dito. Ayan eh, ano ko na to? I-toast ko na to tapos mag-scrambled egg na lang ako. Kain tayo guys, breakfast. Ito sa amin ni Sky, may ano to, condensed milk na may Nestle cream. Yung ano to, sobra dun sa ginawa kong buko salad. Tapos si Daddy gusto niya daw mayonnaise. Kain tayo. Thank you Lord. Light breakfast lang kasi mamaya magluluto ko. Tutong sinigang. May ribs pala dyan. Tapos yung mga gulay dyan, baka masira na. May pa food packs. Meron kaming natanggap na food packs from our local city government. Or LGU, local government unit. Ano ang laman? Wow! Ay! Wala ka. Yan, spaghetti. Spaghetti sauce. Ayan, penne rigate. Pasta. Ketchup. Queso.
The bubbles are down.
Pure Foods corned beef. And then, lechon meat.
Mommy, the
Ayan,
bubbles
thank you
are
po.
down. The bubbles are down.
Balbasor.
Down. Because he's going to Skyler's house.
Luto ako ng lunch. Alam niyo dapat magsisinigang ako. Yung pork ribs, napakuluan ko na yan ng isang beses. Tas ayan na, tas may gabi na para sabay lumambot. Sabi ni Daddy gusto niya daw nilaga. So, Ayan, pakulaan ko na yan. Maglalagay na lang ako ng pechay bagyo. Tsaka may kalabasa din. Wala kaming wala kaming gulay pang nilaga. Pero gusto niya daw ng nilaga. So, iraraos natin. Ano to, pagkain ng doggies. Sodas. Pinakuluan ko lang. Tsaka nilagyan kong konting suka para hindi siya mabilis mapanis. Kailangan ko na itong basagin. Kailangan namin ng coin sa shop. Konti lang naman to guys. Pang help lang sa shop. Pang coins.
20 of them.
Kailangan ko pa ba? Ayun.
Take a dollar. Where's my hands go?
Yeah. Look.
I need to get more.
Help mo ako mag-count. Get all the 20s. Okay? Hula ko dito nasa mga 4,000.
I have so many 20.
Sige, get all the 20s para anuhin na lang ni Mami.
Mommy, what's this?
Bilangin kasi ni Mami. Can you count 1 to 5? Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you put here. By 5. Help Mommy count by 5. Kaya nabilang ko yung tig 5 and 10. Yung tig piso, saka ko na to dalhin. Natamad ako bilangin, ang liliit. Ito lang kasi kailangan nila madami kaming peso, 1 peso coins eh. Ayan, food ni Sky. Nanonood sila dito ng movie. Wala si Daddy, tapos na pala. Kain tayo. Sarap.
Oh, yummy.
Yummy ba, Sky?
I like soup. Sucking soup.
Oo. Kaya mabuti. Dessert time, fruit salad. Ha? Ano yun? Ihi ka? Umihi ka? Sarap. Dessert. Ayan, tinali ko na ng tig pa 500. At andito yung mga piso. Saan ko na to bibilangin? Kasi to may coins pa ako dito. Pero lalagay ko na to sa alkansya. Bibila ko ng bagong bagong piggy bank. Medyo lalakihan ko na. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, naka 4,000. Congratulations. Wow, Mark. Nakatanggap ka naman ka? Oo, syempre nauna na yung mga yan. Marco. Yung feeling mo. Ito, kay ano to, nagkamali lang ako nabigay. Pero same lang naman naman. Kaya kay Elena na. Ito, kasi ito kay Robert. Bigyan nyo na lang both. Yun, ganyan. Hello guys, bahay na ako. Bahay na kami ni Sky. Ayan, mag-pack tayong regalo namin. Kasi pala this coming New Year, sa Tagaytay kami celebrate. And nag-ready kami ni Daddy Andy ng mga gift para sa kanila. Ano ko na. Ipapack ko na. Meron na ako mga stickers. Be.
In the stillness of the night, lights are twinkling soft and bright. The Christmas tree stands tall and grand, with every ornament in hand. Stars above us shining clear, whispering that Christmas is here. A peaceful glow, a quiet prayer, love and joy are in the air. Stars above the Christmas tree, shining down for all to see, guiding us through winter's night, with warmth and love and soft light. Stars above the Christmas tree, a shining symbol, pure and free. In their glow we all believe in the magic Christmas we receive. Snowflakes gently fall to ground, in the silence not a sound. The tree reflects the light so bright, a symbol of this holy night. Together we will share the cheer, with loved ones always near. The spirit of this special time, a perfect moment, pure and kind. Stars above the Christmas tree, shining down for all to see, guiding us through winter's night, with warmth and love and soft light. Stars above the Christmas tree, a shining symbol, pure and free. In their glow we all believe in the magic Christmas we receive. The stars will shine forevermore, on this night we'll ask for more. Peace on earth and goodwill to all, under the stars we stand tall. Stars above the Christmas tree, shining down for all to see, guiding us through winter's night, with warmth and love and soft light. Stars above the Christmas tree, a shining symbol, pure and free. In their glow we all believe in the magic Christmas we receive. Stars above so bright and true, on this Christmas night we're renewed. In the glow of love and light, we'll carry Christmas through the night.
Snowflakes falling, touching ground, whispers soft without a sound. Trees adorned in crystal dress, winter's here, it's time to bless. Lights aglow in every street, footsteps making rhythm meet. Chimney smoke and fires burn, home is waiting, time to turn. Stars above, they shine so bright, guiding hearts throughout the night. In the chill our warmth is found, love and joy will here abound. Windows frosted, scenes so clear, families gathered year by year. Songs of cheer fill up the room, hopes and dreams, they start to bloom. Snowflakes swirl, the world is still, every heart with peace does fill. The night is quiet, full of grace, in this moment we find our place. Candles flicker in the dark, echoes of the distant lark. Magic swirls in every breath, silent night, we feel its depth. Gifts of love, wrapped with care, laughter echoes through the air. In the glow of firelight, we embrace this peaceful night. Stars above, they shine so bright, guiding hearts throughout the night. In the chill our warmth is found, love and joy will here abound. With every step the world feels new, beneath the sky so vast and blue. Through winter's grace, we make our way, and in our hearts, the warmth will stay. Stars above, they shine so.
Ayan guys, na-ready ko na. Hinahanap ko na lang yung stapler or iti-tape ko na lang. Kakain muna kami ni Sky. Ayan guys, init na lang namin to. Nilaga ulam namin. Ayan guys, kakain lang kami ni Sky. Iniinit ko na yung sabaw. Kakain na kami ni Sky. And mag-end na ako dito ng vlog. Ayan. Thank you so much sa panonood. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo. God bless. Bye-bye. Sky, can you say bye? Sky, can you say bye?
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.